Today, we're talking about two of the most common injection molding defects that look completely different on the surface: short shot and flash. What exactly is a short shot? Simply put, it's when the plastic solidifies before completely filling the mold cavity. This leaves you with a missing corner, an incomplete rib, or ultra-thin edges. Usually, the quick fix is adjusting the machine by cranking up the pressure, speed, and melt temperature, or delaying the VP transfer. But if the pressure is already maxed out and the problem won't go away, it's time to shift your focus to the tooling structure. You need to check if the venting is insufficient or if the gate size is too restrictive. Because if the mold's venting or runner system is poorly designed, tweaking the machine settings is just a temporary band-aid that won't fix a fundamental tooling issue. Now, while a short shot means the part's starved, flash means it overate. It shows up as a thin plastic fin, forcing its way out along the parting line, shutoffs, or ejector pins. The funny thing is, some flash is actually self-inflicted. When people aggressively bump up the pressure and shot size to fix a short shot, that injection pressure can overpower the machine's clamping force, literally blowing open the parting line. As a result, the short shot disappears, but flash takes its place. But keep in mind, flash is not always about overpressuring. If the flash keeps hitting the exact same spot, the mold itself is telling you a story. You need to inspect the parting surface alignment, check for wear around the sealing areas, and ensure the inserts are sitting properly. If the mold does not seal correctly, the flash will always come back. Finding that perfect sweet spot by balancing pressure, speed, and clamp force is where the science meets the art of injection molding. But if tweaking the machine and repairing the tools still don't cut it, you are looking at a permanent part design flaw. When your geometry violates the physics of the resin, you have no choice but to modify the part design. The absolute best time to catch these structural imbalances is early, during the DFM review. That is where FirstMold comes in. From comprehensive DFM analysis to precision tool manufacturing, we help you design out these headaches before they ever hit the shop floor.